davom etadi. Bu yerda bayram yaqin 15-20 daqiqada, Portugaliyada esa ancha davom etadi. Jahon chempionatiga qadar ular bitta turnirning g'olibi sifatida o'zlarini ko'raverishadi. Rostdan ham shunday. Nega Portugaliya jahon chempionatida favorit emas? Albatta favorit.
Unable to save what were pinpoint accurate Portuguese penalties.
Yeah, as a goalkeeper, you want the penalty taker to give you a chance, and he's a very good goalkeeper, but got nowhere near any of those Portuguese penalties. They were just too good.
Now the Portuguese players are lining up. They're going to give a guard of honor to the Spanish team as they go up to get their runners-up medals. Not the prize they wanted to take home tonight. Alvaro Morata, who took over the captain's armband towards the end of proceedings tonight. Last two tournaments in a row they were involved in. Spain brought back the winners' medals. But tonight is Portugal's night. Took over from Luis Enrique after a spell in charge of Belgium that had mixed reviews. But Roberto Martinez has delivered what he set out to do. Another addition to Cristiano Ronaldo's bulging trophy cabinet.
Class act though, Cristiano Ronaldo going to Morata, player who missed the penalty. He's gone around all the Spanish players. Oscar de la Fuente as well, giving him a big hug, just a word in his ear. Again, he knows what it's like to lose things, but just to commiserate with fellow professionals is so important. When you're a player like him, he doesn't have to do any of that. It can be all about him, all about Portugal, but he realises how tough it is to lose big games.
Twice Spain at the lead. Twice Portugal came back to level up. One of the goals significantly from Cristiano Ronaldo this evening. He's now the joint second highest scorer in Nations League history, and at the age of 40, his name remains up in lights at the very top level of the international game. Spain who had so much of the ball, created so many chances. Portugal just about able to hang on.
Ko'pchilik muxlislar tomonidan Ronaldoning eng so'nggi yutgan kuboklaridan biri, shu uchun emotsional nishonlab yuboryapti, deyapti. To'g'ri, kubok yutish shunchaki emotsiya bo'lmaydi, katta emotsiyalarni taqdim etadi. Lekin faoliyatini yakunlab borayotgan Ronaldo uchun yana ham faoliyatini yakunlamayapti, lekin oz qoldi.
Contrasts between Ronaldo and Yamal tonight. Something that is, I'm sure, going to spur plenty narratives. There'll be much discussion and analysis. I think when we look back, Andy, we'll be proud of the fact we saw them both in action against each other.
Yes, absolutely, yes. And I think for Yamal, he's got to take this on the chin.
Hozir yozilyapti, Lamine Yamal Millatlar Ligasi finalida mag'lub bo'lgan eng yosh futbolchi deb.
Nuno Mendes made it very difficult for him in that one-on-one battle, but he'll come back stronger. Spain will come back stronger. Sometimes you have to lose something to appreciate just how good winning things are. And Spain have won an awful lot, and they will win more. And they'll remember nights like this, and it will drive them on. And that's a worry, for the rest of European football, for world football, because this team will be desperate to put this right.
Cristiano Ronaldo was 22 before he won a league title with Manchester United. He was 31 when he won a major international trophy.
Nasib qilsa niyat qilganmiz albatta klublar o'rtasidagi jahon chempionatini to'liq formatda namoyish etib beramiz. Mana shunday fantastik super o'yinni Sharqlovchi Ozodbek Sattorov bilan birgalikda tomosha qilib bordingiz, lekin biz yakunlayotganimiz yo'q. Kubok topshirish marosimi bo'ladigan bo'lsa, efirga uzatib qo'yamiz. Lamine Yamal, Roberto Martinez endi ketmasa kerak, endi Jose Mourinho kelaman desa ham ketmasa kerak.
He just works incredibly hard on himself physically to enable to play at 40 years old at this level. For any player, is incredibly hard, and when you're under the scrutiny, the pressure that he's under because of who he is, to keep producing is just incredible. So his mental state as well, physically and mentally, a top athlete.
Isco uchun yana bir alamli holat. U terma jamoasi sovrin yutgan paytda chaqirilmagan edi. Endi chaqirilganda esa yutolmayapti. Lekin hali jahon chempionati bor. Aytib o'tganimdek, jahon chempionatida Fransiya, Ispaniya, Portugaliya, Germaniya, Argentina, Braziliya qaysi jamoalar bor hisoblasha oladigan O'zbekiston. Mayli, aytib qo'yamiz. Yaxshi niyatdamiz.
What a few days Nuno Mendes has had. Won the Champions League final here at this stadium last Saturday. Integral part of that win, and boy was he an integral part of Portugal's victory here too.
Yeah, I think for my money, Nuno Mendes was player of the finals, truly outstanding.
Well, Roberto Martinez, when he was in charge of Wigan Athletic in England, he won the FA Cup. It was a launch pad in his managerial career, but it was a long time ago now, 13 years. He returns to the winning podium, and this one is going to be very, very satisfying for him. In terms of size and population, Portugal are the younger brother to their Spanish neighbours, but they have made themselves heard tonight. And who they've beaten in this final is going to make it feel all the sweeter. Alexander Sefrin accompanied out onto the pitch for the trophy presentation. Theodoros, the UEFA General Secretary, Pedro Braneca, President of the Portuguese Football
Bo'ldi,
Federation.
futbolchilarni taqdirlash bo'ladi. Ularni taqdirlanadi ular. Kubok topshiriladi.
Bert Nurendorf too, the German Football
Aleksandr
Federation
Cheferin
president.
UEFA prezidenti maydonga tushib kelyapti. Tushib kelib
At the
bo'ldi.
Munich Arena as Portugal prepare
Bugun mana bu sariq
to
rangli
receive
forma
their crown.
kiyib olgan futbolchilar, och sariq formadagi futbolchilar kumush medallariga ega chiqyapti. Unchalik yig'lab emotsiyaga berilib ketmayapti bu futbolchilar,
Young players who have already grabbed global
lekin yutganlar
attention
yig'layapti. Pepe olib chiqyapti, Pepe.
will not be getting their
Bir
hands
vaqtlar chempion bo'lgan
Nations
bu
League
turnirda.
trophy this evening.
2019-yilda 6 yildan so'ng Portugaliya yana chempion bo'lyapti va Ronaldoning terma jamoasi bilan sovrinlari 3 taga yetyapti. Qo'yiladi mana shu yerga. Uzr, ovoz qolmadi. Ikkinchi o'yin va eng kamida
Heroes
5 soatlik
adoration for the
efir
former Real
bo'ldi.
Madrid and Porto defender.
Charchoq. Menimcha to'g'ri tushunasiz deb o'ylayman.
He's had his time in the sun. He's had his glory. Former teammate of Cristiano Ronaldo when they won the Euros in 2016. And Pepe now lauds
Ronaldo parvo ham qilmadi
successful
Pepening bu
Portuguese
harakatlariga.
players who followed him.
Ochig'ini aytganda. Klublar o'rtasidagi jahon chempionatiga oz qoldi. Uni olib beramiz deb va'da berdik
Up to the podium is the man who's receiving a
va
special
chempionlardan boshlashyapti.
Nuno Mendes has been
Demak,
named
ya'ni medal taqishmaydi bu yerda.
this Nations League.
Yoki o'yinning eng yaxshi futbolchisi Nuno Mendes.
Sometimes I do
Hayron qoldim birdaniga.
thought he was brilliant.
Ma'lumotlarni tiklab turib qarasam buni Mendes chiqib kelyapti.
Ronaldo's goal in the
Albatta qoidalarga
semi-final.
muvofiq
Scored his
ko'z yoshlar
own
bilan
goal here
qarshilanyapti.
tonight.
Charchabmiz, do'stlar.
Nuno
Charchab.
Mendes, who is not yet
Nuno Mendes
23
eng yaxshi
years of
futbolchi.
age. He's a young man with the world at his feet. And you can see what a popular figure he is with the teammates too.
quvnoqlik bu yog'iga, quvnoqlik nishonlashadi albatta mehnat qilishda,
Off on his holidays now with
shuncha og'ir yo'lni bosib o'tishda va referilar. Keling, ularni tanishtirib o'tamiz. Sandro Scherer bosh hakam, assistent referilar Jonas Erni, Susan Kyung var jamoasida. Xo'sh, bu yerda Serdar Guzbuyuk, Fedai San, Dennis Hayler, Paul Van Bokel.
They did a terrific job, and actually, of course, they get it right, they get it wrong, they can make or break a final. They were excellent. in terms of
7 ta
on-field
referi
decisions,
ishladi umumiy
VAR.
hisobda.
Superb.
Yaxshi boshqarib borishdi. 5 tasi ko'rsatilyapti. Mana 6-chisi ham keldi, lekin 7-chisi ko'rinmayapti. Mana 7-chisi ham shu yerda. Bugun 7lik 7 soniga e'tibor beraverasiz endi.
now the runners up.
Ha,
Everything they
vitse chempionlar,
turned to gold in recent
kumush medal
years.
sohiblari. Luis de la Fuente, uning futboli juda ham ajoyib. Juda yorqin futbol namoyish etyapti
Your neighbors here
va taqdirlanyapti.
wanted this prize so badly. Spain collect their silver.
Ispaniya,
Of course, it's Portugal's night, but
Unai Simon, Robin Lenormand, Dean Hausen, Oscar Mingueza, Marco Cucurella, Fabian Ruiz, Martin Subimendi, Pedri, Nico Williams, Lamine Yamal, Mikel Oyarzabal,
one and a positive one from Spain.
David Raya, Pedro Porro, Pau Cubarsí, Dani Vivian, Mikel Merino, Alvaro Morata, Gavi, Dani Olmo, Ramiro Alex, Jeremy Pino,
First ever international coach
Alexandro
to win
Rodriguez,
competition.
Alejandro Grimaldo, Isco, Fermin Lopez, Samuel Amaradion,
Feels very likely that this
Luis
Spanish
de la
team will
Fuente.
bounce back. Don't think we've heard the last
Bular
time
bugun
by
kumush
any
medal sohibi.
Lamine Yamal who arrived in this final.
Mana bu kubok esa 2019, 21, 23-yillarda berilgan edi. Portugaliya, Fransiya, Ispaniya olgan edi va yana bir marta Portugaliya. Boshlanishi Portugaliya edi va hozircha oxirgisi ham Portugaliya bo'lyapti.
Not saying Yamal had a terrible game.
Har 2 yilda o'tkazib kelinadi.
Difficult playing against one of the, arguably the
Ispanlarni
best
tanishtirib
back attacking
o'tdik.
left back in European football. So
Kumush medal Aleksandr Cheferin tomonidan
all going to be straightforward.
UEFA
Yeah, he'll learn an awful
prezidenti
lot from this. Spain will as a team, and he will as an
o'z
individual.
taqdim etyapti.
He's got ballet in his boots. He's got venom in his vision. He is a young man, not yet 18 years of age. He's too young to rent a car, and yet he holds the steering wheel for this Spanish
Bo'ldi.
international team.
Endi esa Portugallar boradi. Keling, Portugallarni ham tanishtirib o'tamiz. Diego Costa, Ruben Dias, Gonzalo Inacio, João Neves, Nuno Mendes, Bruno Fernandes, Bernardo Silva, Pedro Neto, Vitinha, Francisco Conceição, Cristiano Ronaldo, Nelson Semedo, Antonio Silva, Diego Dalot, João Palhinha, Gonzalo Ramos, João Felix, José Sá, Renato Veiga, Francisco Trincan, Rafael Leao, Ruben Neves, Pedro González, Diego Jota,
But it isn't that easy.
Rui Silva, Rodrigo Mora,
It's Denmark getting here as well. So
Roberto
the final,
Martinez.
you've got to get your tactics
Bular
right, you've got to
chempionlar.
get your substitutions right. The coach needs to get all his decisions right to win a game at this level. So give Martinez a huge amount of
Bular
credit for getting
chempionlar,
the
do'stlar.
very best out of this Portugal squad.
Diogo Costa, penalty hero again in a shootout after his heroics here in Germany last summer at Euro 2024. Picture
Pepe
perfect moments for Pepe
borsa ham bo'lardi o'zi.
to collect
Ularning
and
qatoriga
save
Portugaliya uchun Pepening qilgan ishlari juda ham katta.
and the final. Some players who didn't get to kick a ball in anger at all, such as Antonio Silva there of Benfica. Conceição, who will remember his wonder goal against Germany in the semi-final. Dalot didn't get to play.
Cristiano Ronaldo
But he
eng
does
so'ngida.
bring home the winners' medal. Rafael Leao played a big part in the latter stages of this final. But having waited for the others to step forward.
Cheferin va
it is
Ronaldo.
once again Cristiano
Bu Ronaldoga
Ronaldo
kubok topshiraverib charchab ketdi.
the center stage.
Sardor sifatida Cristiano Ronaldo.
Power
Keling, mana shu yerni yozib oling. Yana o'sha takrorlanadi. Yana o'sha holat.
story
Ronaldo
It is about pedigree.
va 2025-yilgi UEFA Millatlar Ligasi sohibi Cristiano Ronaldo boshchiligidagi Portugaliya chempionlar. Yana bir karra. Tabriklaymiz Portugaliya va albatta Ronaldo muxlislarini.
He's won it all, but he is hungry for every prize on offer.
Bu yog'i bayram.
And there will be a day when Portugal mourns the
Yoz va unga
retirement of
yaqin
Cristiano
vaqt
Ronaldo.
ichida
But that day has not
finallar bo'ladi. Mana bunday ligalar, Chempionlar Ligasi finallari hammasi hal bo'ladigan payt. Albatta, jonli efirimizdan kamchiliklar va xatolar bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin, lekin siz bizdan xursandsiz deb umid qilyapmiz. Mana bu kadr hali tarmoqlarda ko'p aylanadi.
Finals week in Germany. That has been so tight and so cagey.
Cristiano Ronaldo
Just all remember
sovrin
separated
etdi.
each of the semis. This final itself went all the way to the penalty shootout.
Mana
A night
darvozabonlar
Portugal
Jose Sa
are never going to forget. They showed such
kimdir
resilience.
maydonga tushmagan bo'lsa, kubokni tashlab yuborishadi. Shuncha qiynalib olgan kubokni tashlab yuborasanmi, deyapti.
Celebrations.
Kulib yuboryapti.
What a week for him.
Orqa fondagi hamkasblarimiz, aslida ular yuqori fonda, biz orqa